In this video, let's talk about are 3-inch wheel spacers safe on a truck. Countless successful cases prove that the 3-inch wheel spacers are safe on a truck. Wheel spacer has its shape and have been widely used for decades. When the lug nuts are properly tightened, a clamping force will keep the wheel and spacer secure to the corresponding hub assembly. This allows all forces to be transmitted through each vehicle's wheel and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, quality 3-inch wheel spacers won't break easily. Always stick to hub-centric 3-inch wheel spacers because hub-centric wheel spacers simply serves as an extension of the original wheel hub surface. The hub-to-wheel connection doesn't change. This reduces the chance of wheel vibration. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no consensus. Many truck technicians will agree that properly wheel spacers will be a good idea to fit wider wheels and encounter clearance issues. What makes the safety forged 3-inch spacers? Both forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum 3-inch wheel spacers are available in bonus stock. After the premium forging process, the strength is greatly improved. The 3-inch wheel spacers benefit from high precision. So far, Bonus has maintained a tight tolerance at 0.02 mm. The more processed the contact space is, the easier they can sit first up against the vehicle hub and wheel, and the less chance of vibration. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the 3-inch spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of Bonus forged ST-Cooling 3-inch wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 alloy steel. With higher strength, Bonus forged ST-Cooling 3-inch wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Safety, precision, durability, and the best experience are what set apart Bonus from other 3-inch spacers manufacturers. In addition, the Bonus forged ST-Cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed impact shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when we rotate. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. If you are looking for safe wheel spacers, these Bonus forged ST-Cooling 3-inch wheel spacers are worth considering.